solution to us. So first we have to find equation of tangent, then we have to find a and b from that one, then we have to find distance AB, and we have to show that distance AB is a constant. For that, what we need to do is, given first let P x1 y1 be a point on curve implies whatever curve is given to us, take x1 y1 and write equation 1. Then again we have to write given curve. What is given curve? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. We need to find m. To find m, what we have to do? We have to differentiate this one. Yes, differentiating both sides with respect to x. D by dx of x power 2 by 3 of y power 2 by 3 equals to d by dx of a power 2 by 3. Now x power 2 by 3 formula is n into x power n minus 1 plus y power 2 by 3 n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of y, because this is considered x value, that is not x, so that's why we have to consider 0. Very good. Why it is 0? Because we don't find any x value in that one. Here 2 by 3 minus 1 is how much? 1 by 3. Don't do like minus 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 minus 3 ones are 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, not 1. Okay? Don't subtract like this, 2 minus 1. We have to take LCM and we have to simplify that. X power minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3 into d by dx of y equals to 0. Then we have to write the term with d by dx on left side. Remaining we have to send to right side. Minus 2 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3. Therefore, dy by dx equals to minus 2 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 by 2 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 cancelled. dy by dx equals to minus this y power 1 by 3 comes to numerator, x power 1 by 3 comes to denominator. Okay? Because degrees are negative, if we interchange their position, their degrees will become positive. Now what we will do, once we have this one, we will write m value. dy by dx is m equals to y1, this is x1. Okay, this is the value of m. Once we have value of m, we can find equation of tangent. For equation of tangent, what are the process we have to remember? First we have to take a point on the curve, equation 1. Then you can take the curve, differentiate both sides. Then you will get dy by dx from that one. This is implicit function. You don't have y equal to question given to you. We have to apply dy by dx, then dy by dx you will get in between. Send other terms to right side, you will get dy by dx. Once you get dy by dx, let it be n. So when we are taking this one as n, x becomes x1, y becomes y1. Then equation of tangent, line formula, because tangent is a line. Y minus y1, just substitute the value of m here. Minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3 into x minus x1. Now I am cross multiplying this x1 to both the values. x1 into y is y into x1 power 1 by 3 minus y1 into x1 power 1 by 3. This is over. Then this minus y1 I am multiplying with this x into minus x into y1 power 1 by 3 minus into minus plus y1 or x1 you can write first y1 power 1 by 3. This y1 is multiplied to both the terms. Now negative values from right side is taken to left side, and left side negative value you can shift to right side. Now I am taking this minus x here first. This is positive. Now plus x term, because x term is there, I am writing first to it. X into y1 power 1 by 3, this is already there, plus value y into x1 power 1 by 3 equals to this value comes here. Or you can write this one as it is, x1 power y, x1 into y1 power 1 by 3. This minus value we will take here, plus y1 into x1 power 1 by 3. What we did for this one? After writing the formula of tangent, equation of tangent, this one formula, then you have to substitute the value of m, cross multiply both the values. We got one negative value on left side, one negative value on right side. Right side negative value shifted to left side and left side negative value shifted to right side. Clear? Now once we have this one, in this question you have to remember one thing. Previously what I said you, when x1 is given to you, x1 power 1 by 2 into x1 power 1 by 2 we can take, right? But here 1 by 2 is not there, 1 by 3 is there as degree. So if I want to split this one in terms of 1 by 3, I have to write x1 power 1 by 3 into x1 power 2 by 3. Because if bases are same, powers are added, x1 power 3 common, 1 plus 2 3, this is 1. So x1 power 1 can be written as x1 power 1 by 3 into x1 power 2 by 3. We have to write split and write. Where is that x1 and y1? Here x is there, not x1. Y is there. Here x1 is there, x1 power 1. Here y1 power 1 is there. What we will do? x1 is changed now. x1 power 1 by 3. x1 power 2 by 3. y1 power 1 by 3 as it is. y1 power 1 we can write as y1 power 1 by 3. y1 power 2 by 3 into x1 power 1 by 3. This is the thing which you need to remember in this question. x1 is changed, split into two parts. y1 should be split in two parts. Now we can have common. Here we don't have anything common. Y into x1 power 1 by 3. Now we have what we can take common. x1 power 1 by 3 we can take common. y1 power 1 by 3 we can take common. x1 power 2 by 3 in bracket plus x1 power 1 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3 means y1 power 2 by 3. Into what is there in the bracket? x1 power 2 by 3 into y1 power 2 by 3 is how much? Equation 1, a power 2 by 3. Here we can write a power 2 by 3. This is equation of tangent. But we have to find equation of tangent, or we have to find AB as constant? AB as constant. What is that AB? First thing is, in 10th class you might have done, when coordinate axis is given, a line passes through it. Suppose this is the curve. Line passes means this is the tangent. That line touches x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So it cuts intercept to that one. We have to find that intercepts. We have to find these points A and B. This is a tangent. To find A and B points, we have many methods. One, we have to write the question in this form, intercept form. X by A plus y by b equals to 1 form. We have to find A and B. Then A is equals to A comma 0 and B is equals to 0 comma B we have to take. So you have to remember this one. Whatever value is given on right side, that value should be 1. So what we have to do? Suppose if I have x plus y equals to 4, I have. If I want to get 1 here, I will divide the whole thing by 4, I will get 1. In the same way, to get 1, why we need 1? Because we need intercept. Why we need intercept? Because we need A and B values. To get A and B value, process starts now. What we will do? Whatever right side is given to us, we'll divide both sides by x1 power 1 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3, a power 2 by 3. Here also same thing. x1 power 1 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3, a power 2 by 3. Here also same thing. x1 power 1 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3, a power 2 by 3. These total thing cancelled. What we got? 1. Here y1 is cancelled. Here x1 is cancelled. Now what remains? I'll write here. X by x1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. Y by y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 equals to 1. Therefore A is equals to x-intercept comma 0 and B is equals to 0 comma y-intercept. Whatever in the denominator of y is y-intercept. We got a and b. We got equation of tangent. Check it out once again. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M is derivative of the curve. Whatever we have derivated, that is m value. Only x1 and y1 we have taken in place of y and x. Then this cross multiplied, then negative values become positive. And on right side we have x1 and y1. We have changed that x1 as x1 1 by 3 into x1 2 by 3. Previously we have changed that x1 as x1 power 1 by 2 into y1 x1 power 1 by 2 two times, because the question contains 1 by 2. If not there you have answer, you can write down the answer directly. But here we don't have answer, we need a and b. For that you have to remember x1 is changed as x1 power 1 by 3 and x1 power 2 by 3. Y1 is changed as y1 power 1 by 3 into y1 power 2 by 3. Then after taking common, this becomes equation 1 always, a power 2 by 3. Then what we found, we need a and b. For that whatever on right side, that value should be divided whole to the whole equation. So we will get a and b values. Now we have to find distance AB. This minus this whole square. Zero minus this square means 0 will go, negative value will go, x1 power 1 2 the 2 by 3 into a power 2 to the 4 by 3 plus y1 power 1 into 2 is y1 power 2 by 3. Don't multiply with 3, only we have to multiply the numerator, a power 2 to the 4 by 3. Now we have root over a power 4 by 3 common. So x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3. So we have this value, no? What is that value in equation 1?
A power 2.
A power 2 by 3. Now root over a is there. Bases are same, powers are added. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So root over a power 6 by 3. 2. Square root cancel, what we got? Is equals to constant. Copy on this.